learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin Lim Zhup Siu. And really? 有样吗？是不是
？Yeah
其实跟台语很像啊，有样不哈？真的是在讲说有没有影子，是真的还是假的哈？
所以搞不清楚咯。
Yeah, exactly. It's very beautiful how we say really in Hakka or Taiwanese. It actually quotes like the shadow. Is it a shadow or is it real, basically? 再请老师讲一次。
有样吗？
有样吗 ？OK， 现在呢是这个很多毕业生已经毕业了，有很多计划，可能有些人开始工作，有些人要出国。All right, let's put a situation in here for graduates out there. What are your plans after graduate? So let's ask that. 毕业后有什么计划？
畢業過後，
畢業過後。
有乜嘅計劃？
有乜嘅計劃？哦，有乜嘅計劃就是計劃。計劃 I like that word. It means do you have any plans? But 畢業 graduation.
畢業。
畢業 Okay, that means a graduation.
畢業過後有乜嘅計劃
？Okay, what are you going to do after you graduate is what we're asking. And some people find a job, but some people would go abroad maybe to study more, right? 我要出国念書 I'm going to study abroad.
我要出國讀書。
又要出國，出國聽起來就是要出國，好像要去玩，但這個是要念書咯。出國 that means to go out of the country. 念書怎麼說？
讀書。
讀書 that's to study. 我要
就是我要。
對，我要出國讀書。Okay, that means I'm going abroad to study. And your response would be, really? 加油咯，對不對？Really? Alright, 真的假的 ？Cheers, go, go, go. 其實加油這個字在國外英文比較少說 add oil 啦，對不對？不是真的要加油，但是就是要鼓勵大家 right? Okay, that means go, go for it.
有樣麼？
有樣麼？
加油！
加油 okay.
有樣麼？加油！
加油 Okay, 加油 is actually a very good word to use. It just means, go at it. When you're at a game, you want to cheer for your team, you say the same thing. When someone is going abroad to study, you can say the same thing too. 加油。
那海陸腔的加油，加油！加油！
Okay, that's a different dialect for go, go, go.
Hey.
All right, let's review some of these terms like 畢業 graduation.
畢業
a plan 計劃
計劃
and 加油
加油
All right, and it's all about teaching you how to say 有樣麼？那就是真的假的？對，不然我在教客語，你在教國語了。All right, that does it for today's Practical Hakka on Icrt.
什麼大家？
俺自say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.